Good morning, garden family. It's late morning. I'm coming out checking on my garden. We've been getting a lot of rain. The hummingbirds are everywhere, and it's a beautiful thing. So one thing I really wanted to do this morning is give an update on that previous video I did about a hard tomato prune. If you go back and look at that video and look at this, and this is about 2 weeks later. With all the rain, this is the result of it. I've already harvested a few tomatoes, maybe like 10 of them, and put them in the freezer until I get ready to use them. But I still have to come out here and prune a lot back. I got this one back here that has fallen over. I got one there. And again, my whole purpose for the hard prune was I didn't want that many leaves so that it would start to cause maybe some fungus or things like that. But this is the result of the hard prune. So we are expected to have rain again today, later on, and I'm gonna get these ones that are blushed, that have blushed or turned red, and get those in the house and do a little bit more maintenance and pull some of these beans that I have. But I just wanted to give you an update from the hard prune video, tomato prune video, and it paid off. But I'm still gonna have to regularly come out here until the season dies down and cut these back, because I definitely do not want them that wild. They've fallen over, they're heavy with fruit. But yeah, the heavy pruning works, the rain works, and we have plenty of fruit, tomato fruit that is. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to give you an update.